Now then YouTube, it's another day, another video. I'm taking my car for mapping again over at RS Tuning in Leeds. We've got the new turbo on. So we're going to do some tweaks of the fuel map, obviously to make sure it's safe and it's nice with the new turbo. We're then going to do some power runs at 1.2 bar for comparison purposes, which is what the old turbo was running at. And then we're hopefully going to turn up the boost and see what power the car can make. So let's get driving and let's get to Leeds. We're at RS Tuning again for the mapping with the new turbo. So let's get the car on the rollers, see what power we can make. At this point we couldn't put the power down on the rolling road. I'd recently fitted some new 888 tyres to the rear of the car and they'd got so hot they started blistering, so I swapped over the AR1 tyres from the front onto the back and instantly got an increase in traction. done. We ended up with 375 horsepower and 325 pound-foot of torque at 1.6 bar. There was still a bit of wheel spin in that, so realistically it's probably 385-ish, I would imagine. These are the graphs before and after. The before was 343 on the old turbo at 1.2 bar. The new one is 376 at 1.6 bar. You can see there we have actually gone to the same rev limit, but the new one falls shorter than the other one, and that's because of wheel slip. So realistically we might be somewhere up there maybe. Now 375 bhp isn't a lot in this day and age, but when you compare it with the weight of the car, that's when you see just how powerful it really is. If you go onto this website and we input the car's weight and horsepower, that gives you the bhp per tonne, which as you can see is just over 600. We then go to another website which lists all the bhp per tonne cars, mainly supercars, etc. And you can see that my car sits somewhere above a Bugatti Veyron and somewhere below a LaFerrari. Now if we look at increasing the horsepower of mine without the wheel slip, then it could be up at LaFerrari standard maybe, who knows, but it's more than enough for what I've got at the moment. And that is where the clickbait video title comes from. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. I can now get the car back on the road. So please give it a like and also subscribe to the channel. There'll be lots and lots more content coming over the year, and I hope to share it with you all.